Can you really remove student loans from your credit report? The answer in 5 seconds. Alright, so I have seen some wild stuff lately in the world of credit, and it's been a while since I made a video, so I apologize for that. Been moving and whatnot, and you know, now handling some life stuff, but I could not hold back this video any longer. You know, the results are amazing with this system that we use. Literally 3 people in the past week have had student loans removed from their credit report. Federal student loans. Now, I've been in real estate for a while, and I've been in, you know, the financial world for even longer, and the rarity of getting a student loan removed from any credit report, it's rare. It's almost impossible. You know, when you take a federal loan, they document everything. Well, guys, I'm not joking around. This proof here, I got proof below, I got proof in a link. This company that we work with is no joke. If y'all got student loans, heck, if you got bankruptcies, if you got even just credit cards, anything that you need to get removed from your credit report, get on this now. I mean, you can go spend hundreds of dollars somewhere else, and I've spent hundreds of dollars somewhere else and hadn't got anything to the caliber of this removed from my report. So it's exciting, guys. I got fired up about it. I hope you get fired up about it. Check the link below. Check out our Facebook group. See the proof for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.